My name is Meraj. I'm a fourth-year architecture student.
My name's Jalaysia. I'm a fourth-year architecture student.
And for our studio, we designed an end-effector that picks up bricks. We found this piece in the middle here that you can see is a pneumatic gripper. It opens and closes with air pressure. Obviously, it wasn't wide enough to pick up with the width of a brick, so we designed these pieces that extend to the width of the brick and can pick it up easily. This base piece here was 3D printed and attaches straight to the arm, like so.
Following that, we also have the SPDT switch, which is also called the clicker. Once the brick is clicked, it will actuate and close. And we also have the color sensor. Once it senses the color, it will close. If it doesn't sense the color, it will stay open.
The clicker actuates with this solenoid valve, which supplies the air pressure to the pneumatic gripper. This piece here is an Arduino board, which supplies power to the clicker and the color sensor. This piece here is what deactuates when the gripper is closed. And that's our device.